Okay, just like number 6, this one compares two congruent measurements. Here they're asking us to compare angle B and angle Q, or when I say they're asking us to compare them, what they're saying is that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, and then they give us the measure of angle B as 3V plus 4, and the measure of angle Q as 8V minus 6. We know from the congruence statement that B, that middle letter in that triangle's name, and Q, that middle letter in that triangle's name, since they correspond, they will be congruent, and we can set those values equal to each other. So we will do that first. We will say 3V plus 4 is equal to 8V minus 6. And we'll solve this out for V, but V won't be our answer because we'll need to plug it back in to find out what the measurements actually are. So subtracting 3V from both sides, we get 4 equals 5V minus 6. And then we'll add that. We're trying to move to get all the variables off of one side just to one side and isolate the variable, getting all the constants to the other side, and eventually, once we've isolated the variable, we've got all of the V's isolated on the right-hand side, but what we really want to do is get it down to a single V. So I know you know this, but I'm just talking through it anyway. Okay, so here we get 2 is equal to V. That's the value of V that we're going to need to use to find what these measure. So since we know they're congruent, we know that they are equal. I'm going to write it as the equation like this because when I plug it in, I want to plug it into both of them and just make sure that the number that I got 2 for V is actually correct by showing that they actually do come up with the same number when you plug it into both of them. And we do. We get 10 equals 10, so they're each equal to 10, and we're going to just mark that as such, C, and we're done.